special oil. Special oil and special engineered oil. Not too thick. Not too thick. Thin enough, it's thick enough. This smells slightly, but it just stops the tree squeaking, and we use special tools to put the oil on. The trains already come with demonstration oil on them, but it normally lasts less than 20 months. It's only demonstration oil, it's not that good oil. So we had to change the oil on them because they weren't very good oil. So, and it kept starting the trains because the oil keeps drying up, the demonstration oil, and it kept making the train stop and start. But with the oil, it just keeps them going every 20 months. More than that, but only every 20 months anyway. Just, it's thin enough just to keep it going, doesn't stop and start. It doesn't dry out easily at all. It stays wet for a really long time. It stays wet for more than 20 months, as I said. Yep, so let's get on with basically how everything works. Right, so how everything works is that primary is the controller, it's a HM4000, and basically it's connected to black wires which go into the board underneath, and they go across there to those power clips over there, and then they, on the power clips, they have little copper wire which then plugs underneath the rail into the track, which supplies power. They only been on certain bits of track because they have little grooves inside the track, and then for the turntable, there's a black and brown wire which is plugged into a switch, and then the switch is plugged into the controller. That's done for all sorts of different wires, like the black wire goes into the controller, and the brown wire goes into the switch. Actually, sorry, the black wire goes into the switch, and the black wire goes into the controller, and so does the brown wire goes into the controller. And for the signal, it's there's a red and green wire, basically, and black wire as well. The red and black wire plugged into the switch, and there's another black wire which is plugged into the controller, and then the green wire is plugged into the controller as well. And that's how the signal and everything works on it. So it's basically how everything works on it. And we're going to show you some playing the trains down, how to work them. Right, so basically how you work the trains is, I'll show you now. If I go to the controller. Right, so on the controller, if I can swap them over, like that. Right, so to get the flying special working, I'll have to turn the track on first because it's not turned on at the moment. So to turn it on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the isolator button, and the green light will come up, as you can see right here. And the next thing you do is I'll push the brake button first, see it, and the red light comes on. If you can see it, but it does. and then you switch this switch thing all the way up to full like that, and then what I'll do is I'll turn the I have a fast on one, so I'll turn it up to say the 5th dot, and the speed light has now gone out because the train has not reached its speed yet. When the speed light will come back on, it means the train has reached its speed. Because it's obviously not going anywhere, it hasn't reached its speed yet, which I've told it to go to. If I undo the brake one, it's going to start off slowly and it'll get faster and faster and faster like a real train, as you can see. Faster, faster. And now the speed light is now come on because the train has reached its speed. And that's the 5th dot. So that's how you work it. And to stop it, all I have to do is I switch this thing down to the first line, like that. And push the brake button. As you can see, it stops it. Now, to change the signal, all I have to do is move the lever. And it changes. Hang on, let me just get it so that you can see. There we go. Let me move this building out of the way so you can see. There we go. Move this lever. There we go, it's red. Just let go of it like that. The turntable, same thing, just put the lever into position. Sorry, I have to get it in the right position. There we go. The speed turns round. Bit noisy, but that's how it works. Right, so that's how the train works, and basically that's it for my DVD today. I'm just going to be showing, telling you about a new service from this Master Railway Club. Right, so the new service for this my Railway Club is going to be called the EMRC. So EMRC Video Link. Well, basically what it is you can download all the DVDs that we've been making instead of buying them if you wish to, but you get better quality if you buy them. But when you download them, you will have to download some DVDs in separate parts because we only have a certain file limit on the website we use. So we only have like a certain file size, so we can't put masses and massive of DVD files onto it in big chunks. So you have to download them in parts. Obviously, DVD you get better quality and better sound and like that. So that's it, and the address, I ain't got an address yet because I ain't done the website yet, so on one of my next videos or something I'll send you the, tell you the address for a EMRC video link. And that's all from me. Thanks for enjoying my video. If you're watching this on YouTube, can you please leave a comment? Thank you.